Welcome back to S&M Technology. Today, we'll be counting down the top 10 largest machines. The giant machine you're currently watching is the Komatsu D575, a super bulldozer with 1150 horsepower coming from its beast of an engine. It can carry 90 cubic yards of load and is also quite capable of tackling terrain. Usually, it is employed in surface mines and coal fields, moving heavy loads to their destinations. Next up, we have a Guinness World Record holder, the PNHL-2350, with the title of the biggest earth mover. Its 53 cubic yard large bucket can hold 80 tons in weight. This model is specifically designed to fill haul trucks, those massive dump trucks you may have seen pictures of. It can fill one of these in a matter of minutes. When it raises its bucket to its full extent, it reaches up to 24 feet high. Komatsu Limited actually now has an improved model available on the market with a capacity of 73 cubic yards. If the mining industry requires one thing, it is high volume and fast digging, and Liebherr's mining excavator can do these things extraordinarily well. This heavy-duty machine can fill up a haul truck in just 4 passes. Its bucket has a capacity of 37 cubic yards and it is able to work regardless of the conditions. These monsters can weigh from 110 to over 800 tons, with their largest variety of excavator being the R9800. The Bell AZ75110 is a haul truck produced in Belarus. It has 4 axles and 8 wheels, of which 4 wheels are hydraulic for load handling, and the remaining 4 are drive wheels. The Bell AZ75110 can carry up to 450 tons of load, which is the same as its own weight. A fun fact, this machine consumes 198 gallons of fuel in just an hour. Enough to completely fill a Ford F-150's gas tank 8.5 times. In this clip, you are watching the CAT 6090 hydraulic shovel, which is unique because of its 2 engines. This is so that one can drive the vehicle itself while the other one can drive the hydraulics for its arm and shovel. It is one of the biggest shovels in the world with a capacity of 104 tons of payload. The next machine is the PNH electric rope shovel, a cable system excavator instead of hydraulics. Its digging arm is controlled and powered by winches and steel ropes. It has no engine as it is entirely based on electrical power. The largest variety, the PNH 4800 XPC, has a dipper capacity of 92 cubic yards and 122.5 metric tons. To bring back the F-150, it could essentially hold 3.5 whole F-150s in just volume. In terms of weight, it could hold over 40. In short, this machine can move a lot of dirt around very quickly. Like P&H's electric rope shovel design, the Bucyrus walking dragline has a similar cable mechanism, albeit with a more traditional crane style. The bucket is attached with two ropes, one at its top and one at its base. Upon pulling the rope, the bucket is filled up with minerals and dust. These machines are used for lifting heavy loads in mining and construction, just like the previous machines we've seen. It's very unlikely that you've heard of this device before, and even less likely you've seen it in person. This is a NASA crawler transporter. Although this machine isn't exactly used in mining, we decided to include it as it's made by the Power Shovel Company. Its function is to transport spacecraft and rockets from the assembly building to the launch pad. From 1981 to 2011, it carried many missions such as Apollo, Skylab, and the Saturn rocket. There are only two crawler transporters, and both of them belong to NASA. Next up on our list is a tunnel boring machine, also known as the mole. Another excavating machine that's only used for tunnels. It is designed to bore through anything like earth and hard rock. It's an excellent alternative to tunneling using methods such as blasting and certainly beats doing the work by hand. The last machine on our list is a truly incredible bucket wheel excavator. This is the largest machine on Earth, as confirmed by the Guinness Book of World Records. It has a length of over 2 soccer fields and is taller than a 30-story building. This mega monster was built in 1995 to excavate coal in Germany, and it still valiantly does its duty to this day. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Which of these machines was most impressive to you? Have you ever seen any of these in person yourself? Are there any other massive machines you want us to talk about? Let us know down below in the comments, and we'll see you next time on SNM Technology.